What's up, Speed Nation? Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm out here, first time doing a car meet in a while, but I'm back at my favorite one, Lava Cantina, right? I'm about to show you some nice cars. Comment down below on your favorite car that I showed you today. Also, if it's a dream vehicle, whatever your dream vehicle is, put it in the comments below. I want to know. I want to see. All right? DreamGiveaway.com. The Hellcat giveaway is over. They will announce the winner on May 12th. May 12th, they will announce the winner. I'll put the information in the description below. It's basically, if you entered the win, DreamGiveaway.com sent you an email. You go to that same email address, May 12th, and all the information is there. They should have sent you that information already, but look, I'm telling you, and I'll put it in the description below. So there you have it. Let's get into these cars, y'all. Stay tuned. Custom Pantera right here behind me, y'all. Check it out. Hey, come this way. Let me get you on film, man. Why you going that way?
You got a real camera?
I finally got a real camera, man. Good seeing you.
Good seeing you, man.
How you been?
Terrible. I'm doing good, man. Just
That's
tired.
good.
Tired as hell. What's the top speed of that thing? 25. Awesome. Too bad. Awesome.
Right now, man. Talk about your ride, man.
So I got a 2020 GT line Kia Soul. It's Inferno Red and Cherry Black, which that color combination was only done for the 2020 model year. The GT line trim, it's kind of a more sporty performance look, front end and back end. It's got a sport tune suspension, so it'd be really fun on the track, but I still get good day-to-day mileage for doing 250 miles a week. I got it in January, and I've been doing South Lake. I've been doing cars in Cantina. I recently won an award for second place import. I've done a lot of cosmetic mods, making it kind of just something different that you don't see at all these mates. You see SVJs, you see Hellcats, you see all the same stuff, but only one red and black Kia Soul GT line.
That's right. You
know?
can tell he's real proud of his car, man.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna go show it to y'all in a second.
Yeah, I've been through. My industry got hurt really hard due to the pandemic because we rely on office building full of employees to cook for, but when everyone worked from home, I was only working 24 hours a week on weekly pay for a year. So for me to buy this car on my own after everything I've been through is an accomplishment, and I like to be able to bring it and share it with people, because I used to be the very same person who would go to a meet and look at cars, and now people are coming to look at my car. So
I feel you, man. That's great. I'm proud of you, man. I appreciate you talking.
You guys will love it.
We'll check out his car, man. Like, share, comment, subscribe. What's your Instagram?
Kia Soul GT Line 202.
We got you, man. Appreciate you. Speed Nation, that's it for me, y'all. Once again, Comment down below your favorite vehicle I showed you. Whatever you seen, put it down there. What's your dream car and all that great stuff. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.